Yo, what's going on? Before I check in, get me, been a bit scarce for a bit. If you guys ain't checked out the last video, please go check that out with Charlie Brown. He's got another video that he's just dropped on his channel as well, so I'll also link that there on the little eye, one of the corners. Oh, where have I been? Man's been working, innit? Get me. Sometimes it gets like that. I leave my house and get in, it's just impossible for me to film anything. But yeah, get me. June's here. How many days now? 17 days till I go LA. So that means like 19 days till Vidcon. Get what I'm saying? It's about to be lit. This summer's about to be lit. But it's June now, so I told myself I'm going on a marathon. So what I mean by that is there's gonna be regular uploads every week. I try to put out at least 2 to 3 videos a week minimum. And obviously the whole week I'm in LA daily.
We vlogging daily, baby.
Trying to get them views up, you feel what I'm saying? Get me? I've been working on my American accent because when I go out there, I want to kind of deceive people, innit? And then obviously I come back out with a UK accent and that. You get what I'm saying? But leave that for another day. But as I was saying, yeah, so regular videos this month. I think I might show you a little, not trying to turn into these like, but I'm do like a little holiday. What am I carrying with me? Get me? What my plans are out there. Get me? I'll do little videos building up to LA. And it's gonna be an experience because I've been to America a few times, but always on the East Coast. And obviously I went to Vegas last year, all that madness happened. Hopefully it's a bit different this time going LA. So we gonna see. Yeah.
Nigga, I'll kill you, I'll chop you up, put you inside the mattress like drug money, nigga.